Hello there. So this is a quick one on how to make $10,000 on a good day trading Eve. So you can see this was the trade setup that worked out 1 to 10. Okay, wanted to start it and enter the New York session, but then we got taken out, so that ended up as a loss. Now this trade was actually forecasted in the community. You can see here the daily forecast. We have this during London session on the 21st. When you look at this here, you can see that I had the projection, the London forecast, what was likely to happen, price was going to sell off, and all of that was set there. And then when you look at the daily roundup, just daily roundup here on the 21st, by the end of the day we had everything play out just the way we wanted it to play out, right? So hey, what are you waiting for? Join the Stock in Profit mentorship today. You have 40% off on all plans. Take advantage of the Black Friday, and I tell you, you can be right on your way to making such amount of money in no time. So hey, stay Stock in Profit and see you. Stop wishing and start doing and acting on your dreams. See you. Bye-bye.